Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to receive verification code on Bondee app. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, go back your home screen and after that type on setting and scroll down and type on apps. After that type on app management and search for Bondee app and tap on this. After that type on permissions. You make sure that tap on all permission, allow camera and content, and go back and tap on phone number and tap on allow and tap on go back, tap on notification. You make sure that if the toggle turn off, you have turn on and go back. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.